Hey, welcome to a quick video from Between CAD Classes. Did you know that you can customize your quick access toolbar and it is super easy to do? All you have to do is find the command that you want to add to the quick access toolbar. Let's say, for example, I like to measure area a lot. And instead of having to click the drop down, I'm going to select the area command here so that it shows up in the toolbar. Then I'm going to right click on it and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now you can see that Measure Area is automatically in my Quick Access Toolbar. It even has a drop down so that I can get to the other measure tools. If there's a button that you want to get rid of, for example, maybe you never make a mistake so you don't need the undo command here, you can just simply right click on an item and choose to remove it from the Quick Access Toolbar. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and take that measure area back off. So as you can see, very simple way that you can customize AutoCAD and make it easier for you to use.